Hey guys, it's Dawn with Preferred Pest Control, and I just wanted to share with you real quick the number one way that our pest professionals find that rodents are getting into homes like yours here in Northwest Missouri. So I'm going to flip the camera around real quick. Just have your typical garage door here, but as you look at the bottom corners, and this is very common, you can see light coming in from the outside. If you can see the light coming in there, and you can kind of tell how big that gap is, it's big enough that I could probably put my index finger under there and I can definitely feel a cold breeze coming in. But if it's big enough for my finger to go through, it's definitely big enough for a mouse to come through. All I need is something the size of your pinky. And then also over on the side is another common spot. You can see a gap there at the bottom, but sometimes you'll see the gaps even going up the side here, creating additional openings for mice and rats to get in. So you're going to want to seal those areas up with product that a rodent cannot chew through. Your typical caulking or expandable foam will not do the job. So as you can see, a garage door provides ample opening for rodents and mice to get in even when it's closed. So check your garage door today. Make sure any kind of gaps or holes are sealed with a product that a rat or mouse cannot chew through. We like to use a product called Rodent Stop. If you've got an older garage door that's starting to sag toward the middle, maybe time to consider replacing it rather than trying to fight mice and rats all winter long.